Всем привет! Мы на официальном сайте Air Baltic и смотрим стоимость перелета из города Милан в город Ригу. Перед вами график цен на разные времена года. Соответственно, сейчас, на данный момент, сентябрь является самым дорогим. Соответственно, мы можем посмотреть, сколько стоит бизнес-класс. Перелет бизнес-классом обойдется минимум вам в 566 евро. Также хочу добавить, что в эконом-билет не включены напитки и еда.
Door still automatic.
Whenever you're seated. Smokers, please note that it's not allowed to smoke anywhere on this aircraft, including the toilets, not even electronic cigarettes. If there is a failure in the air supply, your oxygen mask will drop down automatically in front of you. Pull the mask towards you and don't worry, the oxygen will start to flow. Place the mask over your mouth and nose and make sure it is well adjusted before helping others. Just in case we must evacuate, there are 6 emergency exits on this airplane, marked with the green exit sign above them. In the front, in the center, and in the back. If you need to find the exit, just follow the light strips on the floor. So look around and let us just remind you that the nearest exit might be behind you. A life jacket is located under your seat. Only when instructed by the cabin crew, place the jacket over your head, buckle the strap and tighten right around your waist. Once off the plane, pull the handle and your vest will inflate. Another way of inflating it is by blowing into the tube. You can continue to use your portable electronic devices if they have a flight mode and you switch it on now, or just turn them off while on board. For additional information about the use and stowage of electronic devices, check the Baltic Outlook magazine. Alright, now we are ready for takeoff. Please make sure all carry-on items are placed in the overhead compartments or under the seat in front of you. Tray tables and seats are in their upright positions, your armrests are down, window blinds are open, and your seatbelt is securely fastened. For any additional safety information, you can check out the safety cards located in the seat pocket in front of you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Please always pay attention to signs in the aircraft and the crew who's there to make your flight safe and comfortable. Thank you for your attention and we wish you a pleasant flight with Air Baltic, the national airline of Latvia.
Ok, basta, Lucia. Brava, sarà brava. Pensiamo al viaggio che stiamo andando a fare. vedi però sai, fermo. E questa? Infatti siamo sull'ala. Normalmente l'uscita d'emergenza sull'ala. Possiamo spostare perché tanto qua non c'è nessuno. So che c'è un prezzo del finestrino quindi vedo che va. Sulla vai, tranquilla. Io adesso ancora non si tengono parlando. Pagati da loro con l'albergo. L'atto, no, no, sì, si parla semplicemente adesso. cosa c'è.
Thus, the temperature is plus 26 degrees. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. Remember to take all of your personal belongings and please take care when opening door lockers. On behalf of Air Baltic, thank you for choosing to fly with us. It has been our pleasure having you on board and we hope to welcome you on our flight again. Wishing you a very nice day. Goodbye.